Hello, welcome back. Thanks for joining me. I've had a few PR bits and pieces arrive in the mail today, so I thought since I was going to unbox them, I may as well unbox them on camera. Stay tuned to find out what we've got. I'm going to whiz through all these pretty quickly, just have a brief look. I might smell a couple of things, but for the most part, this is just going to be a quick video showing you what I've received and you know, what might be coming up in future on the channel. There is a brand that I am about to stock on my website, Lux Pathfam. Really excited. Unique Luxury. We're going to be selling these now on Lux Pathfam. This is their brand new one. This is Ocean the Reef. So I'm guessing this is an oceanic summer scent. I'm not going to smell it just now. I'll do it in another video. But we've got bergamot, mandarin, grapefruit, sea breeze, basil, so some herbal notes, blue chamomile, cashmere wood, patchouli, vanilla, musk, amber. So that sounds great, and really enjoying discovering some nice summer oceanic fragrances at the moment. Let's see what else I sent myself. By the way, if that seems weird that I'm sending myself PR, I don't ship the fragrances from Lux Pathfam from here, so that's why things have arrived in a box. And there are other things here. There's some testers from Unique. Kate, I actually hear a lot about that one. There is Mango-nificent. Let's just have a little look at this bottle. I ran through my 2 ml sample of this, really enjoyed it. Since it's already out of the box, let's just give it a little spray in there. Oh, this is a Middle Eastern smelling, juicy, rich, deep mango scent. I love that. A real statement maker, nice and juicy and fresh, so good for the summer, good for any time of year, but I think a summer evening scent, that would work really well. And this is the first time I've held a Unique Luxury bottle in my hand. The other ones I've got are Acdenis and Crush on Me. I had a sample of that I enjoyed, and Zengi. Let's have a quick spritz of Zengi. I've never smelled this one. Heard it's good. Oh, that went in my eye. As I was saying, oh, it's good. This is a citrus incense fragrance, rich, deep, big. It smells like a big statement-making, strong, impactful scent. So that's all I'm going to unbox at the moment from Unique. I'll save the mystery box until the end. This is, I believe, from Floris, because someone wrote Floris on the side. I think they have an elite collection or something. So, dear Chris, enjoy the most recent grooming launches from Floris in their iconic elite fragrance. Little booklet here about Floris's gentleman's grooming range. I'll have a little browse through that at bedtime, I think. A book all about Floris. I'll be reading this from cover to cover at some point. Ooh, there's a few little goodies in here. I thought maybe it was one fragrance, but there's a few things. Oh, look at, guys, I did not know this was coming. This is a toiletries bag, leather, with my initials on, with a little flannel. Also in the box is Elite Eau de Toilette, shaving cream, and facial moisturizer. This was a real surprise. I said that I knew it was from Floris. I thought it was one fragrance, but there's one fragrance and then some other gentleman's grooming things. So thanks, guys. I'm going to enjoy grooming myself with these. You know what? We need to just have a little smell. Let's do this one on camera on this video. Let's see what Floris Elite smells like. Let me give that a little spritz. Let's go on skin for this. Love those Floris bottles. I'm assuming this is going to be some very clean, gentlemanly, sophisticated, yeah, citrusy, aromatic, maybe petitgrain, a few herbals. It's a little green, smells strong, but very clean and certainly gentlemanly. Ooh, that's a beauty. I'm really looking forward to wearing that.
If you love fragrance as much as I do, head over to my online store, luxpathfam.co.uk. You'll find my favourite brands, plus brands you can't find anywhere else in the UK. Link is in the description.
Should we have a look at the mystery box? Should we see what we've got in here? I'm assuming this is one fragrance, but we'll find out. I don't know if this is designer. I will probably remember the email about this that I had, but sometimes when we get PR stuff, it can be weeks, sometimes months later when the PR stuff actually arrives, so long forgotten about. So I have no idea what we've got. This is designer stuff and it's from Valentino. There are 2 fragrances in here from Valentino. Born in Roma Extra Dose. I think I've already got that one. Born in Roma Intense. I think I've already got that one. Have I already got that one? Can't remember. Maybe they sent me them again by mistake, or maybe I've got different ones. I'm gonna have to check after I finish filming. But the other Valentinos that I've received, very wearable, so if it's more of the same, then I'm sure I'm gonna enjoy these too. I think it's just the Extra Dose that I've got. Anyway, that's it. That's this little PR unboxing over. Oh, I'm sitting here surrounded by the smell of the Floris Elite. It smells so good, really masculine and gentlemanly. This is Floris doing Floris, like proper gentlemanly British Floris. This is dressed up gent in a suit. Oh, I'm loving that. All right, we're gonna leave it there. I need to go and have my dinner. It's the end of the day. I'm starving. I didn't plan to make this video today. All these boxes arrived, so I thought I'd gotta make a video about the boxes. Let me know if you like these PR unboxings. I see other people making them, so I thought I would too. But if you're not that bothered about them, then do let me know in the comments. But if you want to see more, then let me know also in the comments. If you like the video, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already. And if you do all that, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.